Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to disable keyboard on laptop in Windows 11. Right-click on the Windows icon on your taskbar. Choose Computer Management from the list. A new window will open. Resize it for more comfortable viewing. Select Device Manager from the left side list. Choose Keyboards from the right side list. Right-click on the keyboard. Choose Uninstalled Device from the list. Click on Uninstall in the pop-up window. Another way is to use Command Prompt. Go to Taskbar Search. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator under Command Prompt. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Copy the disable command you can find in the description box below. Paste the command and press Enter to run. If you want to enable the keyboard, copy the Enable command. Paste the command and press Enter to run. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!